Yo, what up, Marky?
What up?
What do you got there today for us?
I forgot what it called.
It's a Tech Deck starter kit. So you're a Tech Deck fan, huh?
Yeah.
So I see you have 1, 2, 3 boards already. All right, so let's take a look at it here. I guess it comes with a board and all this cool setup. So it looks like you can make a few different styles here, and it comes with some kind of training clips. That's cool. Here's all the contents. Whoa, pieces. Dude, there's the board. I see it.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, with the training clips. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, what else we got? Ooh, pieces. Let's put them all right here, bro. Whoa, dude, that's cool. You could totally board on this thing, dude.
Yep.
Ooh, another piece. So that's all the 3 pieces?
Yep.
Or 4 pieces, actually. Alright, and it looks like we got a little manual. Maybe it has ideas about to build stuff.
Yeah.
That'd be kind of cool. Anyways, let's take a look at these guys real quick. That looks pretty awesome. I like this piece. And it does have really grippy feet here. Rubber feet. All of them do, so they don't slide at all. Alright, so let's put something together, Marcus. I guess maybe something like that, yeah. I guess that's pretty interesting, yeah. Alright, how about you unpack your skateboard here? Whoa. It's a little scary, but not that bad, I guess, yeah? Interesting. That's a pretty nice board, bro. It comes with white wheels. So, how do you think you use these little deck things?
I think you put them like this. Like somewhere like right.
Around the board?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen anybody use these?
Oh, there we go.
Nice. I guess this is so you can prop the board up or what?
Yeah.
With your finger?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, there it goes. Oh, so you can like do different stuff with it?
No, also you put your fingers in it like this.
Cool. Nice. Alright, so we missed the best, well not the best, but the necessary part, which is to connect these things together. Because they have like these little grooves here, and you stick these little specially shaped pieces in there like that, I guess. And then you can set it up anyhow you want. And then they're all together as a module, so they don't move around. Maybe we can put the ladder on this side. That'd be kind of cool. I like that. True. And where do you want this? Here or here? Or alright, so it's one piece now. And we got it set up pretty nicely, I think. Yeah, Marcus? So let's do some tricks on that thing. You got any tricks?
I don't know. I have to practice.
You gotta practice? Okay. Let's do some slow motion tricks. How about that? Alright, so this is the Tech Deck starter kit. It's actually pretty cool, guys. We have been having a lot of fun. Yeah, Marcus?
Yeah.
So it's definitely a fun little activity. So this is Marcus's little collection. They're pretty nice boards, dude. And this is definitely something that you can spend time on. Honestly, though, I wish it would have came with 2 of these, because you never use that, really. So 2 of these would have been so much cooler. But still not a bad kit. Really nice. Definitely a thumbs up, yeah, bro?
Yep.
Alright guys, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe to see more. If you want to get a starter kit like this, check out the link in the description. And also check out our other videos. As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one. Peace!